Hi students, let's have a look at this problem. Now, in this problem, we see that we are given only fractions. There are no whole numbers. So, since the actual salary is not given, we have to pick a salary. We have to pick a number. Now, what number shall we pick? Well, to keep the calculations simple, we will pick the LCM of the denominators of all the fractions. That is 4, 3, 5, and 6. And we'll also have 2 in the set because Amanda earns twice as much as Sarah. Okay. Now let's find the LCM of all this and it will come to 60. So we will take 60 to be the salary of Sarah. Okay, so what we do is let's have 2 columns, one for Sarah and another for Amanda. We know that Sarah's salary is 60. Okay, and she spends 1/5 of her monthly salary on painting materials. So painting materials, 1/5. So 1/5 of 60, which is 12, and 1/6 on hiking gear. Hiking gear is 1/6. So that would be 10. So total expenditure is 22. That's the total expenditure. Now, when it comes to Amanda, the salary is going to be twice. So it's 120. Amanda earns twice as much as Sarah. And she spends 1/4 of her monthly salary on yoga classes. So 1/4. That will give us 30. And 1/3 on gardening supplies. It's going to be 40. So total is 70. Okay, so now we have calculated this. Now, what's the problem asking? If they decide to use the remainder of this money to go on a weekend trip. So we need to find the remainder. So let's continue with the separate columns. What's the remainder? Remainder is going to be Sarah's salary minus how much has been spent, that is $22. So this would give us 38. 38 is the remainder. And as far as Amanda, the remainder is going to be 120 minus 70. So that would give us 50. Okay. So now this is the remainder. Now they are asking if they decide to use the remainder of their money to go on a weekend trip. So the remainder of their money's total is equal to 38 plus 50, which is equal to 88. And they use this to go on a weekend trip together each month. What fraction of their combined monthly income will they use for the trips? So what's the combined monthly income? Just a second. Now the combined monthly income is going to be 60 plus 120, which is 180. So what fraction of their combined monthly income will they be using for the trip? Well, that's going to be this divided by this. So that will be 88 by 180, which is going to give us 44 by 90, which will give us 22 by 45. So 22 by 45 is the fraction of their combined monthly income they will use for their trips. I hope this is clear to you all now. Thank you very much.